Hello everyone, it's Nicholas from Affiliates Crusher and we're back with another template release for all of the members for this month. So as you can see here is our new template. So we've got the limited time offer at the top, grab the free bonuses. So again, we're giving away free bonuses on this template. We've included a video which you can watch and or swap out. And of course, as we come down the page, we're going to be talking to them about how they can get started for free. Okay, and then we cover the bonuses. Again, you'll need to swap out these images with your own bonuses and change the content to suit the particular bonus you want to give away, but here are the bonuses. So we've included 4 in this month's template rather than 3, and of course there's a bunch of stuff about what's the catch and your reasons why you're giving it away. But what's important about this particular template is we're starting to move towards the Groove monthly pricing. So if you're promoting Groove, you can use this to start letting people know about the different offers. So starter, grow and scale, $99, $129, $299. These will be the 3 different offers that Groove will offer to members in the future once we go to monthly payment system. Now, if you're not promoting Groove and you want to use this for some other product or service, you can do that too, okay? It's not a problem. You don't have to limit it to Groove, but here you go, the money back guarantee, the customers' stories and successes, and of course at the bottom, as always, your links, privacy policy, how they can contact you, and so on and so forth. So here is another fantastic looking and well laid out flowing template that you can use to promote Groove or any other affiliate product or even your own products. So go and get it, download it. It's available inside your Affiliates Crusher membership. If you don't have a membership, you can go to affiliatescrusher.com and grab a membership for yourself. All right, that's it for this month. We'll talk to you soon.